Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos, and I have something else for you. Kits are finally shipping. I think this was a September kit. Told you in the previous video some of the difficulties, but anyway, we're getting back on track. September kits have gone out, and this is one we have been so much looking forward to. It's a little bit better without the glare on it. Can I get out of the way? Yeah, where we go. The Kyle Busch Rebel Bourbon, and I have not opened this up to look it over, but Rick has been going off for about a month about how cool those decals are. So let's all take a look, and we will all be surprised. Okay, Kyle Busch's Rebel Bourbon. We'll take a look. I do believe, yes, it is a black car. Bad in black. Okay, he's back in black. There we go. There's our clear parts trees, our black hood, and it's kind of a matte, so it's not too shiny. That's cool. There we go. Now it looks on my monitor, it looks kind of gray, but it's not. It is black. Maybe with just a slight tinge of brown in it. I can't tell because my lighting here is kind of crummy. If I turn on my light so I can see it, it just washes out everything for you. But there we go with that. Round and squishies are round and squishy. There's 4 of them, so they didn't mess up. All right, so do I really need to go into the bag o' parts? You have seen the other videos of all the opening up of everything, going through things. Metallic parts look metallic. If you want to paint them, you can paint them. If you don't, you don't. White parts interior are white. And there's a couple little parts in here. Look at my oops video. There's a couple things you want to tweak on here. Which part is it? I'm looking. It's on the tree under here, but it's got a couple little triangular corners on it. You want to trim them back, and then it'll help go together. But watch the oops video on this. Clay Kemp also has a fantastic video on assembling them. You can look at those. Now here comes the important part here. We have the massive instruction sheets. There's your decal placements, where to put stuff. Let's see. Here's our basic black Camaro or Chevrolet decals. It's the same one we've been running for since the beginning, because they don't change. The new ones, you don't put Camaro on there because they are a Chevrolet, and that's on the other decal sheet. Oh man, there's 2 decal sheets. Okay, now I see why the black body, you got a black, but it's got a bit of that charred wood grain on there, and then you've got the hood decal with the bourbon barrel on there. It's making me thirsty just looking at it. And there are the others. There's the roof, and then you can drop on the number. Oh, Clay, you did marvelous. Simply marvelous. Absolutely gorgeous. Clay does such a great job. We can't pat that boy on the back enough, because he makes some really beautiful artwork for all of our decals. That beautiful Kyle Busch Rebel Bourbon kit is currently available at salvinosjrmodels.com. It's down below. You can read it. You can copy it. Well, you can look at it. You can't copy it, and it doesn't hyperlink. But anyway, you can find the web store is in the information box down below. Take a look at that, and you can follow it to the website. You can follow it to the web store. You can see all the new goodies that Marco has put up in our web store. We are turning that into a full-blown model kit store, so you can buy our kits, but you can also buy glues and paints and brushes and knife blades and all the stuff that you need to be able to build a kit, instead of having to go to Amazon or eBay or wherever, if you don't have a local hobby shop. If you've got a local hobby shop, support that place. We need to keep those places in business. But if you don't, come straight to us. But you can get the whole stuff. We're also going to have a whole lot of 3D printed accessories to accessorize and make your cool cars even cooler. So take a look at those. There's also a link on there for the Salvinos J R Models Builders Club. What is our Builders Club? It is a Kid of the Month club. It costs nothing to join other than to say, I will let you automatically bill my credit card every month, charge me for a kit, and you get the kit, you get extra decals, you get a club sticker, you get access to our Tuesday evening special club only Facebook Live chat with me and Rick and sometimes Chris and occasionally Marco. Once in an even rare while, we get Mr. Lucas C., but we typically have him on Saturday mornings here. So anyway, check out our website, see what we got there. We may have some cool stuff for you. So that's it. Thanks for following and looking at Salvinos J R Models.